Hi all, today we're going to do another one special item, which is okay, this is a mushroom. I already cut it into small and take all the black part of the mushroom and then cut it into small piece, and then this is the wash it cleanly, and then you can get this kind of texture of the mushroom. This is the mushroom. I got it as a herbal mushroom. You can get easily in all the market, all the supermarket as well. So this is one packet full, and the item we're going to use for this mushroom is onion. I mixed a few type of onion. One is the yellow color, and then another one is a normal onion, which is around 3 onion I use. So the more you cut it, like cut it into how you're going to do when you fry an egg. So cut it into very small piece, and then you have a coriander leaf, you have a little tomato, just cut a little small portion of tomato, and then you have dry chili, you have to cut very small, and then you have a normal chili also, I have cut it into small, ginger and garlic, cut it into small, and then the spices is here. So what else we're going to use? We're going to do like a varuval type, how we're going to do chicken, but we're going to do a mushroom, and then ginger garlic paste, and this one chili paste, dry chili paste. I already grind it, so we're going to put 1 spoon. It depends on your tolerance level. And also we have a turmeric, 1 spoon, garam masala, a small spoon. I don't want to change the taste, that's why the spoon is very small, so you need to use very small spoon. And also chicken, so this is a Baba's chicken curry powder, so this is 1 full spoon as well. And here we have a coconut, which I have grind coconut, which is also equals to 2 spoons, this one. So these are the items we're going to use, and we'll see how we're going to do a quick one. Okay, now we just check, just put the first spice. So this mushroom, when you do this way, it tastes exactly how we eat chicken. Since I'm a vegetarian, I just try to find some ways to cook healthier, and then same time taste should be very similar. So let's try. You might like it, and if you are a vegetarian or during your vegetarian time, you can put this. So now the second item, we are immediately going to put onion. All this we're going to put. We need to put one by one. So whatever together with the onions, we're going to put it. So for varuval, exactly this is the item we're going to use. Usually you use. So we do the same. If you add a ghee at the end of the part, you can put ghee as well, which will taste awesome. While you cut the mushroom, I forgot to take a picture. There is many type of mushroom, I understand, and this is really a full texture of mushroom, but I just cut it. I don't like to see the full part of mushroom, so I just remove and clean it very properly. I can show the picture of the mushroom which I have used at the end of this video. So we can put ginger garlic paste, 1 spoon. So just add on little water here. So at this stage, we directly put the mushroom first before even we put all these powders. Let all this onion, ginger garlic paste soak into it before even we add the chili paste and all the spices. At this stage, please put the salt, because later I want the salt to be soaked nicely as well. So salt is absolutely your tolerance level. Just mix it well. You can see a few type of colors in it, so it's so nice. Now itself it smells nice. Now we're going to add on the chili paste. So I think 1.5 spoon is just nice. I got too many chili, so I make it one of the chili as a paste, and I don't know which one is a spicy now, so I'm quite worried. So just add on the chicken powder, just 1 spoon, and also turmeric. You can see turmeric is just 1 spoon. And also garam masala. Okay, mix it well. We still with the same amount of water. If there is a need of water, we can add on. Okay, in between of watching this video, please do subscribe. I have a lot of video has been uploaded, and I'm trying my level best to improve better and better. Just please, whoever watching it, just subscribe it. My analytic is showing that rather than subscriber, more than non-subscriber are seeing my video, and that means after complete a video they didn't subscribe my channel. Okay, just subscribe. It's free, of course, absolutely free for subscribe. I think we can add on a little water, just for all the spices to get cooked. Don't put a lot of water. We don't want that texture to go in a different way. Okay, after you feel like it's already cooked, just add on the coconut, little water. And once we add on coconut, make sure you cannot keep it more than 5 minutes. You cannot cook more than 5 minutes. It's not so healthy as well. So the part which I'm doing now is also very important. You will take out all this which have already stick. That is the part where it gives kind of a varuval taste. I'm going to put little ghee just for a nice taste. Nice smell. slow down, taste your salt, and then it's gonna be ready. That's it. So just if you need like a more kind of varuval texture, just wait and then do like this and then take it, or you just wait it until this texture as well looks so yummy. But you have to wait until the oil come out, because you need to slow down the stove. Let the oil come out and then it's ready. Thank you for watching my channel. Have a nice day.